Hi everyone, I'm Christian Archie, and we're going to talk about one-to-one function and horizontal line test. First, let's talk about one-to-one function. What is one-to-one function? A function of for which every element of range of the function corresponds to exact one element of the domain. So let's look at examples. Determine of the following function is a one-to-one function. So we have an ordered pairs here. Ordered pairs. So if two different inputs corresponds to one output, it's not a one-to-one function. So that I'm going to look at our outputs, which are y values. So we have 6, 3, 2, 5, and 8. Now, are any of those values repeated? No. So these are the function of this is one-to-one function. One-to-one function. There are no distinct inputs that corresponds to the same output. And now, we're going to talk about horizontal line test. Horizontal line test is a covenant method that determine whenever the given function has an inverse, but more importantly, to find out that inverse is also a function. Remember that it is very possible that the function has an inverse, but at the same time it's not a function. If the horizontal line test intersects the graph of the function of all placed at exact one point, then the given function should have an inverse that is also a function. So say this function passed the horizontal line test. This is a linear function. If I draw a line anywhere, along here, here, it's only going to touch except one point. So therefore the inverse of this graph is a function. And here are some examples of function that pass the horizontal line test. And here are the examples of function that fails the horizontal line test. This is how it works. If I draw a circle here and draw a horizontal line, it intersects 2 points. So that means the function of this, so this graph is not a one-to-one function. Hopefully guys, this short video helps you to figure out everything you want to know about one-to-one function and horizontal line test. Peace out.